Okay, boys, how are you? I hope that you're passing a great time. This is our fourth class that we're having in this second week of April. And what are we gonna do? In the previous class, you have your homework that you have to work on the page 82 and 83 of your work. So, today we're gonna sew something strange. Do you never or don't you do something strange that is strange for other person but is quite normal for us? Example, one time I was with one of my friend, and we were eating on McDonald's. I asked for a big Oreo McFlurry and a big size of chips or fries. Well, actually they're fries. Well, and we were talking just like, see, the movie was fun and this book, I like it, this is my favorite author and everything. But I did something that for him was strange, but for me is quite normal. I grabbed my fry and I put it into the ice cream, and I was just like, yeah, haha, and he, what are you doing? I'm eating my ice cream and my fries. Why? And he was just like, what? And it was funny because he just like, why are you doing? Because I like it. They are yummy. That's strange. Since when you eat your fries in that way? Since I can remember. Well, changing subject. Today we are gonna work on the page 110. Yes? Please grab your book and open on the page 110. Yes? Well, Adrian, please do it quickly. Anna, stop talking to Adrian. That's enough. Okay? Well, what are we gonna do now? You're gonna listen the conversation of these two women, okay? Well, let's start.
What are you doing? I'm washing the dishes in the bathtub. That's strange. Do you usually wash the dishes in the bathtub? No, I never wash the dishes in the bathtub, but I'm washing the dishes in the bathtub today. Why are you doing that? Because my sink is broken. I'm sorry to hear that.
Well, I think that was kind of pity or compassion, I don't know. But, well, it's kind of sad. Let's imagine that your sink is broken in that time and you have a big party of 31 guests. Yes? And you have to wash all the dishes. Come on. Oh no, I have a headache right now. Just first think about it. Well, we already listened the story, and I want you to tell me if you understand the history. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Estoy lavando los platos en la bañera. Eso es extraño. ¿Generalmente lavas los platos en la bañera? No, nunca lavo los platos en la bañera. Pero los estoy lavando en la tina hoy. ¿Y por qué estás haciendo eso? Ah, porque mi fregadero se rompió. siento escuchar eso. Okay, what are we gonna do right now? Well, we're gonna go to the following page, 111. Yes? In here, we got an example. Yes? In here, we got an example of the last conversation. Let's imagine. Let me tell you, I'm gonna put an example. Yes? Well, if I said chaka cha chaka cha chaka 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 cha. Okay. If I said, what are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? I am iron my shirt. Estoy planchando mi camisa. Pero no usando una plancha, sino que estoy usando una olla. ¿Sí? Una olla con las que se calienta el agua. That's strange. Do you usually iron your shirt with a pot? No, I never dry my shirt with a pot. But I am doing today. But I ironed my shirt with a pot today. Why are you doing that? Because my iron is broken. I'm sorry to hear that. Podríamos hacer eso, que la plancha se rompió y estamos planchando la camisa con una olla caliente. O puede ser el otro ejemplo. Se nos arruinó la plancha de pelo. ¿Y cómo nos vamos a planchar el pelo? Con la plancha con la que planchamos la ropa. Aunque no lo crean, eso hacían antes. Bueno. ¿Están listos entonces para el ejercicio de ahora? ¿Qué van a hacer? Exercise from 1 to 5. Yes? Ok. Van a escuchar los ejercicios de acá, de 1 al 5, y los van a escribir en sus cuadernos. Recuérdense que tienen que cuidar su letra y su caligrafía. Cuidado con la estructura gramatical con la cual van a escribir lo que escuchen. ¿De acuerdo? Bueno, pongo el audio entonces, chicos. Prepárense. Empecemos.
Do exercises 1 through 5. You will hear the correct line after you speak. 1. We'll begin.
What are you doing?
I'm sleeping on the floor.
That's strange. Do you usually sleep on the floor?
No, I never sleep on the floor, but I'm sleeping on the floor today.
Why are you doing that?
Because my bed is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that.
2. We'll begin.
What are you doing?
I'm studying with a flashlight.
That's strange. Do you usually study with a flashlight?
No, I never study with a flashlight, but I'm studying with a flashlight today.
Why are you doing that?
Because my lamp is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that.
3. We'll begin.
What are you doing?
I'm walking to work.
That's strange. Do you usually walk to work?
No, I never walk to work, but I'm walking to work today.
Why are you doing that?
Because my car is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that.
4. You begin.
What are you doing?
I'm using a typewriter.
That's strange. Do you usually use a typewriter?
No, I never use a typewriter, but I'm using a typewriter today.
Why are you doing that?
Because my computer is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that.
5. You begin.
What are you doing?
I'm sweeping the carpet.
That's strange. Do you usually sweep the carpet?
No, I never sweep the carpet, but I'm sweeping the carpet today.
Why are you doing that?
Because my vacuum is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Okay, well, I think we already saw how it's going to be the grammatical structure to complete the sentences in those cases. Okay, what are we going to do now? You're going to decide what kind of strange situation you're going to do for work the exercise number 6. Okay, the following sheet that we are going to work is, oh, boys, this is your homework, one of your homework, okay? You're gonna complete the exercise 6 with an unusual thing that you do, okay? Or that happened to you. Well, what are we gonna work now? In the following page, we get a reading. It's not difficult, isn't quite difficult, and it's easy. Why? Because you just have to read it. A bad day at the office. Yes? You're gonna start to read. Cha-cha-cha, 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 cha-cha-cha. And later, what are you gonna do? You're gonna respond this sentence. Yes? True. You're gonna write T for true or F for false. Yes? In here already got the sentences. Mr. Blaine is the president of the Ajax. Well, the exercise that we're going to do now is the listening section. Yes? I'm going to put the track so you can answer this. Okay? Please use a highlighter. Please, that's the only thing that I'm asking. Okay? Well, let's start with the following exercise. Yes? I'm going to zoom the page. Okay, let's start.
Listen and choose the correct answer. 1.
What are you doing?
2.
What does the office assistant do?
3.
What's the receptionist doing?
4.
Is he tired?
5.
What do you do when you're scared?
6.
Where do you usually study?